I'm Brian Way. I'm here representing Tools of the Trade with Hanley Wood. I'm standing here with Doug from Fein Tool, and he's going to be showing us the latest and greatest in the cordless angle grinder.
Hey Brian, this is the new CCG series of 18-volt cordless angle grinders from Fein Power Tools. What's great about this machine is this is an all in-house machine. It is a brushless, cordless 18-volt grinder with a lot of cool features. This is one of the only machines on the market that has a completely dust-sealed, brushless motor. We manufacture this in Bargau, Germany, and deploy this motor in several different models. You can get them in a paddle switch version like I have here, or you can get them in a slide switch version. These are balanced great in your hand, as you can see. The battery balances the motor head perfectly. All of the machines feature variable speed, and you can select them all the way down to or up to 11,000 RPMs. It's a very comfortable trigger system. It also features a LED shining right down to the grinding point. Okay, so you can see exactly what you're doing if you're in a confined space. It's a low profile head, toolless adjustment on the guard right there, and it's cut away so it stays out of your road. It's a 5/811 arbor, and what's nice about this one is we sell it with our new version of a toolless wheel change here. This little lock here allows you to tighten and loosen the nut without the use of a spanner wrench. That's a 5/811, and it does fit on anybody else's grinder too, so you can get that as a separate component. All of these come in a sustainer, a double stack sustainer, 2 batteries, charger with a 5 amp hour high draw lithium ion battery, and you can get these from your Fein Power Tools distributor. Street price is $5.99 for the kit.
Thanks a lot, Doug, for showing us that new tool to the United States. We were all looking forward to it for a long time.
Thanks, Brian.